Only 12 videos, around 14,000 subscribers, and an estimated income of $2,000 every single month. Isn't that absolutely crazy? I couldn't believe it either. When I first came across this channel, I was honestly shocked. I kept looking through their videos, trying to understand how they were getting so many views with such a small number of uploads. Then I realized something very interesting. They were creating beautiful Studio Ghibli-style AI storytelling videos, and people were absolutely loving them. That's exactly why I decided to make this video and share this opportunity with you before this niche becomes overcrowded. Right now, this is still a fresh and trending idea. I have found only a few channels creating this type of content, which means the competition is still very low. If you start today and stay consistent, you have a real chance to grow your channel, get millions of views, and build a solid income with AI-generated videos. The best part is that you don't need expensive equipment, professional editing skills, or a big team to get started. I'll show you the complete process, step by step, so you can create videos just like these and even make them better. So make sure you watch this video until the very end, because I'm going to reveal everything you need to know. And before we begin, please take just 1 second to like this video, subscribe to the channel if you enjoy AI content, and leave a comment below telling me what you think about this amazing niche. Your support really helps the channel grow and motivates me to keep bringing you more powerful AI tools, viral ideas, and step-by-step tutorials. Now let's jump into ChatGPT and see where the real magic begins. I know one of the biggest problems most beginners face is writing the perfect prompt. They know they need a prompt, but they have no idea what to write or how to structure it to get professional results. And honestly, that's completely normal, because a small mistake in your prompt can completely change the quality of the output. But don't worry, I have already done all the hard work for you. I've created a powerful, ready-to-use, high-quality prompt that is specifically designed to generate Studio Ghibli-style cinematic storytelling scenes. Your job is incredibly simple. Just open the prompt link in the description, copy the entire prompt, paste it into ChatGPT, and press enter. That's literally it. And before we continue, if you're enjoying this tutorial, please take 1 second to like this video and motivates me to keep bringing you the latest AI tools, viral ideas, and step-by-step tutorials completely free. Now here's the exciting part. The moment you paste this prompt into ChatGPT, it will generate a complete storytelling package, including a viral title, a structured story, consistent characters, detailed cinematic image prompts, and everything you need to create videos just like the ones we watched earlier. This is the exact style of content that is getting millions of views across YouTube right now. But here's something most people don't realize. AI is only as good as the prompt you give it. If your prompt is weak, your results will be weak. Your story won't be engaging, your images won't look cinematic, your videos won't feel professional. And in today's competitive world, average content simply doesn't go viral anymore. That's why the prompt is the most important part of the entire process. A powerful prompt is the difference between a video that gets ignored and a video that reaches thousands or even millions of viewers. So stop wasting hours trying to guess the right words. Now, let's move over to Kling AI and take a look at the amazing tool I use to create these stunning Studio Ghibli-style images. The biggest reason I chose Kling AI is because it's incredibly powerful, beginner-friendly, and makes the entire process unbelievably simple. You don't need any technical knowledge or complicated setup. All you have to do is sign in with your Gmail account, and within a few seconds, you're ready to start creating. As soon as you log in, you'll get access to Nano Banana and Nano Banana Pro. And the best part is that both of these features are available completely free. Yes, you heard that right. Completely free, with no hidden fees or expensive subscriptions. Whether you want to generate 10 images, 50 images, or even hundreds of cinematic scenes, you can do it without worrying about limits. That's what makes this tool such a hidden gem for both beginners and experienced creators. Now, here's where the real magic begins. Simply go back to ChatGPT. Copy the prompt we generated a moment ago, come back to Kling AI, paste the prompt into the image generator, and let the AI handle the rest. Within just a few minutes, your complete set of beautiful cinematic images will be ready. And trust me, the results are honestly mind-blowing. The characters stay consistent, the environments look incredibly detailed, the lighting feels like a real animated movie, and every image looks like it came straight out of a Studio Ghibli film with Pixar-level quality. This is exactly the type of visual quality that catches people's attention and increases watch time on YouTube. The best part is that you don't need professional editing skills, expensive software, or years of experience. AI does almost everything for you, saving you hours of work while delivering premium quality results completely free. Most people still don't know about this opportunity, which is why this niche has so much potential right now. That's exactly why I created this channel, to help you discover powerful AI tools before everyone else, and show you the complete process step by step. So make sure you follow every step carefully, because one simple tool like this could completely transform the quality of your content and help you create videos that stand out from the crowd. Now, let's move on to the next step and jump into the website we'll use to bring our images to life. The website is called Kling AI, and there's a very specific reason why I chose it for this tutorial. After testing many different AI video generators, I found that Kling AI delivers some of the best results for this type of Studio Ghibli-style cinematic storytelling. The animations look smooth, the character movements feel natural, and the overall quality is far more cinematic than many other tools available today. One of the biggest advantages of Kling AI is the wide variety of animation styles it offers. Whether you're creating Studio Ghibli-inspired scenes, Pixar-style animations, anime visuals, realistic cinematic shots, or fantasy environments, you'll find the perfect style for your project. That's why so many AI creators are using this platform to produce high-quality videos that attract millions of views. Now, it's time to generate our video. Once you open Kling AI, you'll see several different video generation models. But since the free plan gives you 66 credits, it's important to use them wisely. That's why I recommend selecting Kling 2.6 or any other model that consumes fewer credits. This allows you to generate more videos without using up all your free credits too quickly. If your goal is to create YouTube content consistently, choosing a low-credit model is definitely the smarter option. Now simply upload the image you created earlier. After that, go back to ChatGPT, copy the video prompt along with the voiceover, and paste the prompt into Kling AI. In just a few clicks, everything is ready. You don't need to adjust complicated settings or spend hours editing. The AI takes care of almost the entire process for you. I know many of you are probably thinking, wait, didn't Kling AI used to take several hours to generate free videos? That was true before, but things have improved a lot. Now, in most cases, it only takes around 1 to 2 minutes to generate your video, although it may take a little longer if the servers are busy. So don't worry if it doesn't appear instantly. Just give it a little time, and your video will be ready. The animation quality is incredibly smooth, the camera movement looks cinematic, and the characters stay consistent throughout the scene. It honestly feels like you're watching a scene from an animated movie instead of an AI-generated video. This is exactly the kind of quality that helps increase audience retention and makes your videos stand out on YouTube. I created all 3 of my videos using this exact workflow, and as you can see, the results turned out amazing. If you follow the same steps, use good prompts, and stay consistent, you can create professional-looking AI videos without spending any money. Your feedback helps me create better content for you. Thanks again for your support, and I'll see you in the next video. Have an amazing day.